In today's e-commerce industry, every Amazon seller wants to save time, money, and maximize revenue. However, manual copying and pasting Amazon sourcing and pricing information into spreadsheets can be tedious and cumbersome for sellers. Imagine if you could easily and quickly extract data from Amazon and other online sources directly into your Google Sheet with just a click. Introducing Azon Tracker Pro, a Chrome tool designed for sellers looking to save time when saving data. Azon Tracker Pro enables you to quickly capture data from Amazon and any other website pages directly into your Google Sheet. Getting started is very easy. First, from the Amazon product page, simply click on the tool's Save button and the product information is sent instantly to your Google Sheet. Next, visit your source website and click to have the Amazon product information displayed. Simply drag and drop any information from your product page, edit the information, and save with just one click. With Azon Tracker Pro, you can have all your Amazon and source website information saved in a few seconds. Use Azon Tracker Pro for online arbitrage, wholesale, and private label. Save yourself from the hassles of data entry by taking advantage of the time-saving features of Azon Tracker Pro. To learn more, visit www.azontrackerpro.com.